Okay, welcome back to Cook Like a Pro with Chef David. Today, first of all, I want to thank all my supporters from all over the place. Australia, Canada, Germany, America. I mean, you guys are all over the world. So I thank you for that. So today we're doing a chopped wedge salad, right? And you see that half wedge. At most restaurants, they don't cut it. Well, I'm gonna cut this and show you how easy it is. So you're gonna take a head of lettuce, right? Take the core out. And then you're gonna cross cut it, turn it, right? And just depends on how big you want the pieces. So we try to do bite size here, easier for you to handle. Okay, and of course then you wash this. So that's about what you want. You know, you can tear them apart. So once you have a cut, you go ahead and rinse it off cold water. Okay, so we're gonna save that. I have our cut lettuce. Now, here's the secret to dressing. You don't put the dressing in the middle. Okay, then your salad's not gonna be coated. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on the outside of the rim. See that? See how that is? That's gonna guarantee all the lettuce gets coated evenly. See that? See how it evenly does that? You let the bowl do the work. Look at that. Oh yeah. Okay. So we're gonna get that out of the way. Wedge. Nice and beautiful. And that was blue cheese dressing, by the way. Traditional. Oh yeah. This is really easy to do at home. It takes 2 seconds. Look at that. So then we're gonna top it with tomatoes. Okay. It's kind of rustic, you know, just throw it on there. We're gonna do bacon. Gotta have bacon, right? Blue cheese. And you don't have to use blue cheese if you don't want to, but this is a traditional chopped wedge. And then chives. That easy. That took me 10 seconds. Literally. Like, I'm gonna help you feed yourself from now on. No more fast food. You don't have to be healthy, right? It is what it is. But I'm gonna help you become a better cook in your own home. This is Chef David. Pound that notification bell so you don't miss me. Follow me, comment. I mean, come on guys. Come on. You gotta come see me. Take care.